Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript regular expression tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Ignore case while matching. So previously, when we've done the regex, and we're going to look at this code, for example, we're looking exact match for what's inside of the regex. But we can put an I flag after it. So it goes like this. And it's going to ignore the case sensitivity of it and get uppercase or lowercase, any combination of it, as long as it's the same word. And for this exercise, it wants us to write a regex FCCC regex to match freeCodeCamp, no matter its case. Your regex should not match any abbreviation or variations with spaces. So we can just copy this and just put an I in it. And we can test it with the console log. So it should be true. And now if we change this without a C, lowercase, it's still true. But if we delete the I, it'll be false. So that's it for this one. Thank you so much.